Hey, what's up, my name's Elijah and I'm here with an episode of Elijah Plays Minecraft, and today we're going to be going over a tutorial on how to do like scribbly text on your action bar. Here's a quick example, just watch the action bar down here. Cool, you can do whatever text you want. It's going to be very easy, very quick tutorial, so hope you guys enjoy, find it useful, make sure you like, subscribe, yeah. Alright, so to get started here, we're going to go ahead and create it on a process. Now, you could either use a process or a function. If you wanted to, for example, have, when a player right clicks and then it does, gives them an item and then it does the text and then it does the item, then you would want to use a function, most likely. But if you wanted to just keep going with the code right after, you're going to want to use a process. So it's up to you which one you want to use. But for this case, we're just going to use a process. So let's get right into it. So let's just go ahead and do it on swap hands for this example. You can obviously activate it wherever you want, but for the testing purposes, let's do it on swap hands. Let's just call it text /cn. There we go. So text, and then let's go ahead and say inside of this, we're going to want to go ahead and copy current storage, because that's where we're going to be getting the text that we're actually going to be outputting, is right here. So we're just going to go ahead and get a variable called text, and then just make that a local variable, put it in the chest, and then you can go ahead and put whatever chest you want, like, hello, this is me. Cool. And then we put that in there, and then it's going to go over here to this process, and then we're going to need to make that into a list of individual characters. So to make a text into a list of characters, all you have to do is go to text manipulation and then split text. Now if you see here, it takes a variable to set, a text to split, and then the splitter text. By default, it's a space, which is not what we want. We want it to split each individual character. So let's just put that in there, and then let's go ahead and say text, and then 2 brackets, a start and an end. And that will give you an empty text variable. And then we can go ahead and put that in there. And now if we actually just send this as a message for an example real quick, you see it kind of splits it all up into a list. So now what we can do with that is repeat for that list. So let's repeat for each in list. And the variable that we're going to use is going to be just car, or for character. And then put our text in. So what this is every time, every iteration basically in the repeat is the new character. So it starts with the H is what this variable is equal to first, and then the second iteration is the E, and then the L, and then the L, and then the O, and so on and so forth. So that's what the character is going to be representing for the repeat for each in list. So now what we can do is create another variable. Now this is going to be the display text, so I'm just going to call it display, make that local as well. And let's go ahead, and if you wanted the text to be a certain color code, you could do and7 or whatever color you want, and then just set it equal to that to start. And then let's go ahead and set text to text, and then we just go ahead and put our display in twice, and then we put our character in after that. So each time it's going to be adding character to the display text. So it's going to add the H, then it's going to add the E, then it's going to add the L, and then it's going to add the next L, and then so on and so forth. Now we're going to actually need to display how much, or we're going to have to display the current text. So obviously it's going to go one by one, which is kind of what the whole point is. So we're going to display on the action bar, or whatever you want to do to display it. Just put the the variable in there, and then we're going to go ahead and just put a wait for however long you want it to be in between each character. Let's put a 2. So if we do that, you see it slowly pops up on your screen. We can even just change the color so it stands out a little better. So and B. There we go. Hello, this is me. Cool. And now you might want a little sound effect. What most people use, and what is the best to me, is the item frame sound. Which one is it though? That's one of these. I think it's the place. That's unfortunate. The place. Either way, I'm just gonna put a 1.5 pitch, and then I'm gonna actually decrease this weight to 1 because it's to me it looks better. Yeah, something like that. It's up to you. You can use whatever sound effect you want. You just gotta play around with it. And that's pretty much all there is to the basic scribbly text in Diamondfire. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you guys want to see in the future, and I'll probably do them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.